Hello again, it's Noob, and in front of us is the Southord NPS-2000K Pocket Pen Lockpick set. And this was kindly sent to me by Southord so I could do a review on it. And, well, I rarely do this in a video, but I'm just going to spoil the whole review for you. I officially really like this, and I will be using this in the future as a backup kit, as a travel pick set. I think it is ace. There you go. You probably stop watching now. However, please do continue to watch because it's really nice to explore this, and maybe I can go into why I like it. So, it's obviously called a pocket pen lockpick set. It's not an actual pen. Clearly, I don't need to really state that, but I just have, so my apologies. But it has a form factor of a pen. It's made of aluminium and steel with a brass collet tip at the end, and it's just a really nice structure. It's just about the right size. It's nice in the hand. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's a really nice feel to it. If you undo the top, as you would expect, inside you have a whole load of pick tips. In fact, this comes with 16 different picks. We will explore those later. And 4 tension tools. These tension tools obviously are just like a pen clip, so that you could clip it onto your shirt pocket or whatever, and it goes in here. You can really only fit one of these on at a time, but we'll come on to that a bit later. The other end, of course, is where the collet is, and this, as you screw it tighter, will close this gap and trap the end of the pick tips in the pen so that it doesn't slip out. So really nice, 16 different pick tips, all in stainless steel as well. You can see some extra pick tips I've just got in here, and the other tension tools. Again, we'll get all those out, and even this keyring loop here, which is a nice little addition to add that in with the pack. Not everybody does. So yeah, let's get out all of the pick tips. Let's have a bit of a look, and we'll explore what's inside this set. So here we are. This is everything that comes in the kit, and you get a really nice range of stuff here. You just do. I'm going to just start out with the tension tools, and what really made me happy was that the tension tools, well, they basically come in 2 thicknesses and 2 lengths, so you can choose what you want for your own comfort. The tips on these come in sort of a thick and a thinner one, but what's really cool is I use a Southord tension tool from the C2010 kit all the time, and the thinner one is almost, not quite, but almost identical to it. So the fact that I can actually have one of my favourite tension tools carried around with me all the time, I just think is great. So that is the one that I will be, because I find it very versatile, that's one I will be carrying around most of the time when I'm using this kit. What sort of pick tips do you get? And by the way, this took far longer than I wanted to sort of arrange, just because it's really nice to have them equally spaced, but wow, is that harder than it looks. Okay, is you actually get 4 really nice hook profiles. My favourite one being this, which reminds me of the 07B Southord Max pick tip that I use all the time. So this one's really nice. I definitely like that one. Then you get sort of steeper. You get this nice medium hook here. Oh, this is rolling away. Stay there. You get this nice medium hook, reminds me of the 08B that I also again have in Southord Max. And these pick tips are all in 25 thousandths of an inch stainless steel. So, that's a nice thickness, very thin shank profiles, very suitable for those tighter European keyways. So, for me, that is brilliant. You get a DeForest diamond, a DeForest ball. Quite a fan of the Southord DeForest ball profile, actually. Then we have the ball rake, snowman, half snowman, small half diamond, large half diamond, city rake, extended snake, offset snake, and a triple peak kinetic rake, which looks like this. So I really think that you have a huge range of tips to carry around with you. While this isn't rolling away, let's actually have a look at this. And I've loosened the collet here. I'm just going to throw in, there you go, a tip, tighten it up nicely, tighten the top so it isn't so loose, and well, that's tight. That doesn't appear to be slipping out at all. Let's try some lateral pressure on it. No, that's in firm. And I have used this actually earlier, and I can tell you that it really gives you nice feedback. So it's clearly held in well. The materials are really good, and you know, I have used a lot of Southord profiles in the past, and I have to tell you that these are just lovely. They're quite thin. They are a bit more delicate than some picks, but you know, when you are an experienced picker and you do pick a lot of locks with tight or paracentric keyways, honestly, these profiles are just excellent for that. They really are. So I think probably what we need to do is give this kit a bit of a workout. I've got a range of locks ranging from pretty simple to ones which are full of spools and you know, and larger and smaller keyways. So let's have a bit of a breeze through those with a couple of profiles and see how it responds. So first up is a nice easy Master Lock 3. Going to use this lovely sort of swooping short hook profile. Put a bit of tension on and go through the lock and hopefully get a pretty fast open on this one. There we go. So, try a little bit of raking. Some zipping. We have a Master Lock M1, a Magnum or XL, depending on which side of the pond you are. Again, same sort of short hook profile. Let's go along and pick this lock. And there we go, got an open on that one. Just the feedback's really, really nice. Next up, we have a bit more of a challenge. We have this lovely 5-pin Avocet padlock, very small keyway, nice paracentric keyway, full of spools. Just this is actually a really, really nice lock to pick. It's one of my favourites actually. I think I just genuinely like picking this lock. Lovely feedback, great responsive spools inside it. Just a genuinely nice lock picker's lock, this one. So just going to go through this one very gently. Make sure that I can feel my way through the lock. And we are open on that one. Great lock, this one. Really love this one. Now for a pretty hard I found. Very spooly. Nice tight little paracentric keyway. Again. And we're open. This is a great lock. So, I mean, that was a lot of fun picking with this. It held up really well. It was comfortable to use. I really enjoyed it. If you look at the finish on these picks, this is how they are out of the pack. They've been tumbled. The edges aren't too sharp. I don't feel the need to finish them off any more than they are. Is there anything I'd improve on it? Well, I think the improvements are really a matter of taste. So, for example, I think a lot of people would really like to have the option of a triple peak Bogota. You know, it doesn't mean that what is included is bad. It's just that I know that the Bogota profile is really popular. I think that one of the compromises with this, and anything like it really, is that you'll always probably be short of tension tools. One of my ideas around that, actually, and it's virtually free, is to just make a little top of the keyway tensioner out of a bit of wiper blade, and I use these all the time, and they fit in so many locks, and that will just easily just slide in with everything else. So I was just thinking that a simple addition like that, for me, it took about 2 minutes to make, cost me nothing because it's an old wiper blade, and I've now got a bottom of the keyway tension wrench and a top of the keyway tension wrench in this. So I mean, this is a pretty cool, pretty unique tool, really well made, well put together, great profiles, really nice finish on it. And currently this will set you back on Southord's website at $61.95, and that's US dollars, about £50, about 56 euros. And I have to say that for me, I think that this is actually worth that. I think that you get something really cool, really neat, very usable, some great profiles, nice stainless steel picks. You know, I just think that it fills a bit of a gap. It's a great portable kit. It's a great backup. It's a great everyday carry if you do that. I guess it depends on the legality of where you are. I just really like this one. I'm also interested to know what you think in the comments. So what do you think of this Southord NPS-2000K pocket pen lockpick set? Do you like the profiles that are included? Would you ever use one? Do you think it's kind of cool? Let me know. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you all next time.